Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this travel website using React.js. Uh, Now let's go to the website. Now we are in the navbar section. You can see the hover effect. Then we'll go to the next section, that is popular destinations, Bhadrachalam, Telangana. You can see how photos are aligned. Then the recent trips. You can see the hover effect on the images and the box shadow effect. Then we have the footer with social media icons. You can see the hover effect. Then we'll go to the about section. This is the about section, our mission and our vision. Then service section. You can see the recent trips, hovering effect, and box shadow effect around the trips. Then contact form. You can see the contact form, name, email, subject, and message. Then send button. You can see the hover effect. This home section. This entire website is responsive. So let's view it in the mobile version also. This is the desktop version. We have seen it before. Now let's go to the mobile version. You can see the navbar, menu bar, how smooth effect, transition effect is there. Service section. You can see it can go even smaller in size. So it is very responsive to small devices too. Desktop. A very smooth transition. This entire website is made using HTML, JavaScript, React.js. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to create this e-commerce website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. You can download and create this website all by yourself. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. So before getting late into it, let's get started. Right now we are on the home section. You can see the menu bar, home, shop, blog, about, contact, and add to cart button. Then we have the show now button. You can see box shadow effect on this featured items like free shopping or online order, save money, promotion, happy sale. You can see, and the feature products, you can see the hover effect and the box shadow. As we hover onto them, you can see a box shadow emerging out. And if you click on this product, you will be moved onto the shop website, where you can choose the different shoes that you want. You can change by selecting the below one. You can select the size and add to cart. Then it is you can see more items below. You can see sign up newsletter and contact your social media icons, and App Store and Google Play Store. You can download this app, and the secured payment links. Let's go back to the home section. So these are featured products. Then we have the new arrival products similar to the above one. Then we have blog. You can see as I hover, automatically the button color changes from white to orange. Then we have the newsletter. Then let's go to the next slide, next page, that is shopping page. You can see all the products available here with the buttons. And then next go to the blog section. You can see continue reading. You can see that 1301 is actually by using position attribute in the CSS file. We are placing it at the top left side edge. When we go through the coding, you can understand how we place such items in the top. You can place them at top right, top left, top bottom, like I've shown you. This one second. Here you can see that the shopping cart icon is placed at the right side bottom. So by using position element in the CSS file, we change we move the item towards this place. In the coding section, you can understand how we move that icon over there, and you can see moving slide. Then we have our app integrated a video by using the video element tag in the HTML section. Then we have the shipments, and in the contact section we have integrated the GPS, the small network issue. Whenever you integrate the GPS, you can directly integrate it here. You can see the location, and the contact details are also mentioned here. Then we have the form and your name, email address, subject, and your message, the same newsletter. Next, in the add to cart section, we have added products. You can select the quantity. This is actually a type, and the input section, the forms, you can select type like button, numbers, email. It will give you freedom, not to you have to mention anything directly. You can just select the number of items by using just type function, and you have to mention number and the total sale, and we can apply coupon here and proceed to checkout. This entire website is responsive. That is also available in the mobile as well as in the desktop versions. Let me show you. This is the desktop version. Now let's see the mobile version. This is the mobile version. You can see the menu bar here, the shop section. Then we can go to the blog section. So every item is aligned perfectly. Contact. Then let's go back to home. I will show you the products that I've shown before. Here is the product, and when you click on it, you will be taken to the shop section where you can change the product that you want. You can add the size. You can select the size, number of quantity, and add to cart button. You can see how smoothly they are aligned. And this is the add to cart, the checkout. You can add your coupon and checkout and pay the amount. It is also available in the tab version. The tab version of the website. You can see they are evenly aligned using Flexbox. And here we are in the shop section. Then we can go to the product selection section. So everything is aligned perfectly. This entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is very user friendly. The entire website is very user friendly and responsive. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if for any suggestions, please comment below. Any features that you want to add into the website, and any new websites that you want me to build, like e-commerce, movies website, portfolios, you can suggest below in the comment section. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.